Dear student, in lesson 5 we would study about importance of biophysics in biology. First, we would study about the interaction between physics and biology, as we know that physics and biology are two separate sciences, but in biophysics they collaborate with each other to design a new subject, that is biophysics. And what are the major areas that are covered by biophysics? What is physics? It's basically the most elemental of all the sciences. Most fundamental measurable quantities in universe are studied in it, like velocity, electrical field, kinetic energy. And you must be familiar with the simplest terms like motion, movement of body from one place to another, distance, displacement, force, pressure, etc. You all have studied it in any junior class. So, what are the extraordinarily successful in understanding questions that come into someone's mind? Being a physicist, it is our duty to understand all the mechanism and laws, like how to build a better steam engine. We have steam engine in our society, but as you can observe that as the science is getting an advancement, better to better things are developing. In past we were having steam engine that were usually create very much noise and they create much pollution, but we have very better steam engine today. How to place a satellite in an orbit? स्टार्ट में हम ये कहते थे कि हमारे पास सिर्फ मून एक सैटेलाइट है जो नेचुरल सैटेलाइट है, लेकिन अब हर कंट्री ने, बल्कि बहुत सारे कंट्रीज़ ने अपना अपना एक सैटेलाइट भेजा हुआ है स्पेस में, विच इज़ ऑर्बिटिंग अराउंड द अर्थ एंड कैप्चरिंग द वीडियोज़ एंड द स्नैप्स. हाउ एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन एटॉमिक न्यूक्लियाई कैन बी यूज टू लाइट सिटीज़. एटॉमिक फिजिक्स ने हमें ये एक्सेस प्रोवाइड की है कि हम एटॉमिक लेवल पे जाकर स्टडी कर सकें लाइटनिंग के प्रिंसिपल्स को. So physics provides the fundamental theories for understanding biomolecules. Now, if we look into the biology, it deals with living matter, collections of atoms and molecules that manage to harness energy to perform extraordinary tasks such as locomotion, that is the movement of whole body from one place to another, reproduction, that is the mechanism of producing generations, and computation, thinking, perception, consciousness. These all are mechanisms that are studied in biology. So, what are the scopes of biophysics? Biophysical topics based on relative size of the object are molecular and subcellular biophysics, physiological and anatomical biophysics, and environmental biophysics. However, biophysical techniques and applications are applied and they provide us access to image the objects. Like imaging biophysics is providing us access to image what is happening inside the body of living organism. प्लांट के जितने भी मैकेनिज़म्स हैं, फोटोसिंथेसिस का मैकेनिज़्म है, लाइट एंड डार्क रिएक्शन है, जाइलम और फ्लोएम में होने वाले जो मैकेनिज़्म हैं, उनको अगर हमने स्टडी करना हो तो हम इमेजिंग बायोफिज़िक्स के थ्रू बहुत आसानी से ये स्टडी कर सकते हैं कि कौन सा इस मेथड का कौन सा स्टेप किस फेज़ में है. मेडिकल बायोफिज़िक्स इज़ प्रोवाइडिंग अस एक्सेस टू सी व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग इनसाइड द ह्यूमन बॉडी. अगर कहीं पे कोई क्रैक आ गया है किसी बोन में, या हार्ट प्रॉपर फंक्शन नहीं कर रहा, या न्यूरॉन्स में कोई इशू हो गया है, तो मेडिकल बायोफिज़िक्स कंबाइंड विद इमेजिंग बायोफिज़िक्स हमें एक्सेस प्रोवाइड कर सकती है कि हम इसको डिटेल व्यू कर सकें. Biophysics applies the power of physics, chemistry, and mathematics to understand health, to prevent the disease, and invent different cures. Basically, it's the study of life at every level, from cell organism to the environment. It provide us new areas to explore where they can apply their expertise. Biophysicists are working that how they can apply their expertise, create new tools, and learn new things. It is basically an interdisciplinary science and aims to find out how biological systems are working. If we look more closely into molecular biophysics, it is providing us access to study energetics, bond formation, and dissociation, like how bonds are being formed, how they are dissociating, and how much energy they are generating, diffusion and molecular transport, structure and conformation of biological molecules, which is very important step because we are having a number of biological molecules like carbohydrates, proteins. So they all have different structures and their conformation. Proteins have different level of structures, primary level, we have secondary level, we have tertiary level, and their conformation is providing them to proper function. Structure function relationship is very important. Muscle and connective tissue physics is very important. Like if you are having skeletal muscles and how they are functioning. Connective tissues, we are having adipose tissue, we are having bones, cartilage. So this physics, a branch of physics, is providing us access to study these. Membrane biophysics, in which we basically study the cell membrane, signaling molecules. DNA and nucleic acid biophysics is providing us access to study the DNA and RNA, their structures, and what structures are providing or helping them to act as heredity materials. Protein biophysics, thermodynamics, pharmacokinetics, kinetics, molecular machine allosterics, system dynamics, and stability. These all are the further steps of molecular biophysics. Now we know that biophysicists have revealed the structure of DNA, और डीएनए के स्ट्रक्चर के बाद ही हमें पता चला कि किस तरीके से जीन्स ट्रांसमिट होती हैं एक जनरेशन से दूसरे जनरेशन में. 1953 में बायोफिजिशिस्ट ने डीएनए डबल हेलिक्स स्ट्रक्चर जब डिस्कवर किया, और उसके बाद आहिस्ता आहिस्ता जीन्स के बारे में रिवोल्यूशन स्टार्ट हुई. दैट हाउ DNA serve inside the cell, genes are opened, closed, read, translated, and copied just like a book. So biophysicists analyze those genes to learn how organisms are related and how individuals are different from each other. Basic learning goals are understanding fundamental concepts and methods of physics and their application to study the biological molecules, to develop quantitative and physical understanding of molecular and cellular aspects of biology and underlying logic of living organisms, then to learn laboratory skills and techniques for analysis of biomolecules with emphasis on structure function relationships. It also provides us to access and develop skills in critical thinking and reading and in effective written and oral communication. Thank you.